In this video, I'm going to teach you how to update BIOS on your MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have the B550 Tomahawk from MSI, you can follow the steps in this video to get your BIOS updated. Keep in mind that this will also work for any other model that you have. So a B650, an X570, regardless of the motherboard, you can follow these same general instructions. To do this, you will need a USB drive. It doesn't need a lot of storage space, however, it is recommended to be formatted in the FAT32 format. You will load the BIOS files into the USB drive and then reboot your system with only the USB drive connected. So, to find these files, go to the official MSI website and look for the product page for your particular motherboard model. In this video, the MAG B550 Tomahawk. On the website, go to Support. Under Drivers and Downloads, you will scroll down and you will find the latest BIOS version available. You can use these resources here if you would like more instructions on how to perform the update, but basically, after you download these files, you have to extract them into the USB drive. So go into the USB drive, grab the BIOS file, and drop them inside. Once you have the USB drive loaded with the files, if they are on a zip format, make sure to extract them. All that you have to do now is insert it at the back of the motherboard, so you can insert it on any of these available USB ports. Now, you can use this physical button to perform the update. So, if you have your motherboard connected to your power supply, it is currently receiving power, you plug the USB into this marked USB port, you can press this button for about 3 seconds and the update will be performed right away. Let this process finish after about 15 to 20 minutes and you will be good to go. Now, if you don't want to use this function, what you have to do instead is insert the USB drive into any of the available USB ports, and after it has been inserted, go into the BIOS. So press delete while you restart your PC. Once you are inside of the BIOS, switch over to advanced mode by pressing F7 if needed, and you will find M Flash at the bottom left corner. So go into the M Flash function, and as long as you have the USB drive connected to your PC, it will appear over here. So you choose it from the list, the files will appear at the right side of the screen, you choose the BIOS file, and after you select it from the list, the update will begin. So you just let this process finish. Make sure that you don't shut off your PC, and you will have the BIOS updated after this process is done. I hope I was able to help you on how to update BIOS MSI Mag B550 Tomahawk. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.